This video is all about plank pose.
Come into your plank and lift one foot. Bring it down. Opposite.
That's right, start the morning strong. Hop into your mat, grab a block, grab a water, subscribe to the channel, like this video. Let's do all variations of planks. Beginners, this is for you. You are going to have a treat.
Find a tabletop and then pressing the floor away from you. Tuck your tailbone under, squeeze your glutes, press your knees in, and bring 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift one knee off the ground. Bring down, opposite one. 5, keep lift that knee. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come back to tabletop. We are going to lift into plank for 5 breaths. If you need, place your knees on the ground. Tuck your toes under and come into a high plank. Press the floor in and squeeze your inner thighs. We hold for 5, 4. You can do this. I know you can. Don't give up on me. 2. One more here. Inhale and drop your knees down. Find your chest pose for 3 breaths. I know holding plank feels like impossible when you are beginning, but you feel amazed. You'll be amazed by how quick your body progresses as you keep going, you keep showing up for yourself. Okay, come back to the table. Now we are going to, you are welcome to stay on your knees and lift one knee at a time, or come into your plank and lift one foot, bring it down, opposite foot, rise, bring it down, and we go for 5, 4, engage your core, that rhymed, 3, 2, 1 more, and knees down, child's pose, 3 breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out to hit the 2 minutes mark. Yes, no guilt for today. You got this. You got your plank down. Friends, keep showing up. 2 minutes a day on your plank, you become really, really strong. Before we see each other again, I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.